We start with a chat about your skin's needs so we can make the treatment just right for you. Step 1. Deep cleansing. We cleanse the skin to remove makeup, oil, dirt, and impurities. If the client has unwanted eyebrow growth or stray hairs, we shape the eyebrows with threading for a clean, defined finish. Step 2. Exfoliation. This is all about getting rid of dead skin cells and unclogging your pores. The Estamax enzyme powder is activated and applied to the skin. This gentle enzyme exfoliation removes dead skin cells, dissolves surface impurities, unclogs pores, and prepares the skin for the next steps of the facial. Step 3. Facial steaming, making blackheads and whiteheads easier too. Loosen excess sebum and congestion inside the pores. The skin is then steamed for approximately 5 to 10 minutes. Extract while preparing the skin for deep cleansing. Once the skin is properly softened, our esthetician carefully performs extractions where needed. Blackheads, whiteheads, and clogged pores are gently removed to deeply cleanse the skin and refine its texture. This step is only performed if it is suitable for the client's skin condition. After the extractions, a soothing toner is applied to calm the skin, restore its natural pH balance, and prepare it for the next treatment. Step 4. Collagen Ampule. It's a powerful hydrator, nourisher, and skincare booster. We're here to help your skin look and feel amazing with a professional collagen ampule. Even if we're not doing anything with your face, we still like to make you feel calm and relaxed with a soothing massage. Step 5. LED light therapy. We wrap up with a soothing LED light treatment to give your skin a much-needed boost, reduce inflammation, and strengthen the results of the treatment. Step 6. Relaxing massage. After the light treatment, we gently massage your skin to let everything sink in and to make sure your skin is protected from UV damage. Step 7. Hydrogel mask. Since this client does not have eyelash extensions or a lash lift, the mask can safely cover the eyelids as well, leaving only the nostrils uncovered for comfortable breathing. A customized Estamax Hydrogel mask is selected based on your skin type and concerns to deeply hydrate, soothe, and leave your skin glowing. When the mask is done, we gently peel it away, revealing amazing hydrated skin that looks fresh and bright. Step 8. Sun protection. Before leaving, we make sure your skin is protected from UV damage with sunscreen and a calming. And just like that, say hello to fresh, healthy, glowing skin.